Why are billionaires, hedge funds, and even entire countries secretly buying the very asset they spent years mocking? What do they know that we don't? In this video, I'll show you exactly why the richest people and even entire nations are quietly stacking Bitcoin and what it could mean for your future. And stick around because what you're about to hear might completely change the way you see money forever.
Hey everyone! Welcome to Vault Money, where small choices today unlock a lifetime of financial freedom.
Number 10.
From rat poison to revolution, Bitcoin's crazy journey. Imagine this for a second. Warren Buffett once called Bitcoin rat poison. Surprised. But what if, in a wild twist, he was actually the rat? It sounds dramatic, but think about it. Bitcoin started as an idea, a digital experiment that barely anyone took seriously, and now, excited, it's shaking up banks, Wall Street, and even entire governments. It's a modern-day financial underdog story, and it's only just getting started.
Number 9. Why Bitcoin keeps outrunning everything else. Magdi. Look at the numbers and you'll see something incredible. Over the last decade, Bitcoin hasn't just gone up, it's crushed every major asset. While the dollar quietly loses value each year and the S&P 500 posts solid but slow growth, Bitcoin's price has exploded over 25,000% since 2015. Why? Because there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. No matter how crazy demand gets, no one can print more. It's rare, and in finance, rarity changes everything. I think it's part of these feelings of this sim. When I started, Number 8. Who's really buying Bitcoin? For years, people thought only tech nerds and risk takers cared about crypto. But now, the biggest buyers aren't on Reddit. They're wearing suits. MicroStrategy owns 3% of all Bitcoin. Tesla added it to their reserves. BlackRock launched funds that grew faster than anyone imagined. Even entire countries, yes, whole nations, are adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets. That's not a meme. That's history unfolding. Number 7. The numbers that make your jaw drop. Let's break it down in real terms. Since 2015, inflation chipped away at your money by about 2.6% a year. The dollar lost around 26% of its value. Gold climbed 181%. The S&P 500 doubled. But Bitcoin? It skyrocketed over 35,000%. If you'd put $1,000 into Bitcoin 10 years ago, you'd have close to $400,000 today. It sounds unreal, but it happened. Number 6. How high could Bitcoin go? And what the experts are betting on. Now, here's where it gets wild. And a little scary. Some experts see Bitcoin hitting $200,000 in just a few years. Others go further. $300,000. Maybe $1.5 million by 2030. 2.4 million if demand keeps booming. And the boldest prediction? $10 million per Bitcoin within a decade. Will it happen? No one knows. But the fact people even think it could tells you how big this could be. Number 5. The risks nobody should ignore. For every believer, there's a skeptic, and they're not all wrong. Warren Buffett says Bitcoin doesn't produce anything, so its value depends entirely on someone else wanting it. Nobel economists predict it could one day become worthless. And it's true, a handful of wallets hold a big chunk of Bitcoin, which scares some people. Plus, Bitcoin can crash, sometimes losing half its value overnight. It's thrilling, but it's not safe. And it's not for everyone. Number 4.
How to avoid the biggest crypto mistakes. Here's the hard truth. The biggest danger isn't Bitcoin, it's us. Overconfidence makes us think we're smarter than we are. Greed makes us invest more than we can afford. Fear makes us sell at the worst moment. People who do best, they don't chase the hype. They buy what they're comfortable losing, and then they wait.
Simple. Unexciting, but it works.
Number 3.
Why the boring strategy wins. It's not viral to say buy slowly over time, but it's what the smartest investors do. Big firms like Fidelity and BlackRock even recommend putting a tiny slice, maybe 1 to 2% of your portfolio into Bitcoin. That tiny bit won't ruin your life if Bitcoin crashes, but it could change it if Bitcoin explodes. Boring? Maybe, but boring can make you rich.
Number 2.
Earning Bitcoin without even buying it. Surprised. Guess what? You don't even need to buy Bitcoin directly. Thoughtful. Some people now earn Bitcoin just by living their normal lives. Crypto credit cards that give Bitcoin back on daily spending, cashback converted to Bitcoin, apps that let you round up your purchases into crypto. Little by little, those small bits can grow and you never even had to time the market.
Number 1.
It could hit 10 million or fall to $1. Here's the real takeaway. At the end of the day, Bitcoin could change everything or it could go to zero. The best move, don't go all in. Don't bet your house. Invest calmly. Invest only what you can live without and hold for the long haul. If it soars, great. If it tanks, you'll still be okay. And remember, never buy because everyone else is screaming buy, and never sell because you're scared. In the world of Bitcoin, patience beats panic every time. So what do you think? Is Bitcoin the future or the biggest bubble the world has ever seen? If this video opened your eyes or even made you question what you thought you knew, do me a huge favor, smash that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell so you never miss what's coming next. Your support means more than you can imagine, truly. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching all the way to the end. Stay curious, stay brave, and I'll see you in the next video.